Oh, hi there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican meal.
So, family and friends, it's your Jamaican girl with another Sunday morning breakfast. I will be doing callaloo and saltfish. So, the saltfish was already pre soaked, and then I clean it and add boiling water to define the flakes. I then wash my pre cut callaloo in salt and a splash of vinegar in water. On my chopping board, I have my pre-cut vegetables, tomatoes, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, carrots, onion, garlic, and of course the powdered season. I have black
If
pepper,
you're
onion
new to my
powder,
channel,
all-purpose,
why not
salt to
go
taste,
ahead and
basil,
press
and
that
parsley.
subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel, give my video some thumbs up, and share my channel with your friends. Turn on your post notification icon so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified.
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
So in a hot saucepan, in quarter cups of coconut oil, I've added all the chopped garlic, half of the onion, scallion, some of the tomatoes, the onion, the carrots, and I'll stir that to flavor the oil. While that is happening, I will read for you the food for thought borrowed from dailyverses.net from Psalms 34 verse 15, and it says, "The eyes of the Lord are on the righteous, and his ears are attentive to their cry." Remember, the Lord is always present in your time of need.
If you're celebrating a birthday, an anniversary, or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you and happy birthday from Wim's Kitchen. An extra special happy birthday to my niece who is celebrating her birthday today.
So guys, after 2 minutes of frying the chopped vegetables, I've added the codfish and stir and fry for about 3 minutes. Afterwards, I made a center in the codfish and then add all the callaloo. I will then cover this for about 5 minutes to allow this
If
to
you want
cook.
more information about other Jamaican and Caribbean foods that I have prepared, please touch this information icon.
So after 5 minutes, the callaloo has reduced to half of the amount. And guys, I'm just gonna stir this in, and it smells so good. I made a center in the callaloo and add all my powdered season except the salt. I then add the remainder of the chopped vegetables, guys, and boy, this just smell good. I added the thyme, a pinch of salt, and guys, I stirred this in. It's almost done, but as usual, you know that I have to finish nicing up the pot. So guys, I will then add to that a generous amount of butter, about 2 tablespoons. Guys, salt if needed. Please make sure you taste so you'll know if you need any salt. Guys, you can add a little toops, a little black pepper, whatever you want to finish. If you don't spice up your thing, if it's just right, if you follow the recipe, it will be just right. And so once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. I sure hope you had enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me where I did callaloo and codfish Jamaican style.
Well, guys, I haven't had callaloo and codfish in like ages, so I'm gonna just go back in. Wow. So, the callaloo sought me on. And as a kid growing up, we all understood the importance of callaloo. because it's a rich source of iron.
It is also a rich source of vitamin C and K, manganese, calcium, and potassium. This beloved Caribbean dish is heart healthy and can be eaten at any time of the day. Some of the people, when we're growing up as girls, when you hit puberty, you had to appreciate callaloo for its nutritional value so that it can bring up your hemoglobin level.
You don't want anything more than this. When you eat the right foods in the right portion, doctor can go and sit down somewhere. Okay, you must go for something else, but enough for nutrition. Thank you for coming along with me in the kitchen, where I did for you cooking Jamaican food, Jamaican style.
Please follow me on other social media sites at Wynn's Kitchen and go ahead.
Subscribe to my channel, give my video some thumbs up, and share my channel with your friends.